guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are brand new, welcome. My name is Sonia. I'm glad you made it to my channel. In this video, I would like to share with you my Dollarama and Dollar Tree haul. It's a DIY haul, so what that means is most of the stuff that I had purchased is for a DIY. I am planning on making some DIY Mother's Day gifts ideas, so tutorials for you that you can make with your children or just by yourself, for your mom, the grandmother, or a mother figure in your family. So, and I wanted it to be inexpensive, so I will be sharing that video next Tuesday. So make sure you are subscribed and you have pressed that notification bell so you don't miss the video when it comes up. So for these DIYs, I have picked up stuff for these DIYs, but I had also picked up a couple things for just general crafts that I will be doing with the kids. And if you don't know, I run a home daycare, hence all the stuff in the back, and that's who I picked up the stuff for. So let's get started. So first I'm going to do Dollarama. And if you guys don't know what Dollarama is, I am from Canada, and that is a very popular dollar store here in Canada. Now I think the price range is up to $4. I don't think there's anything more than $4 yet. I'm sure it's gonna come, but for now everything is up to $4. So I had picked up these boards. They're like pallet boards, and I have picked up two, and they are $4 each. So I've got two, and they're great. They're not unpainted, so you can paint them any color you'd like. I have also picked up this, and it is the artist panel, and this was $4 as well. And it's got, I don't know if you can see right here, it has like a little lip. So then I have picked up these birdhouses. These are something that I'm gonna be working on. And then I picked up a whole bunch of these small ones. Ooh. Just trying to show you different kinds that I picked up. So I picked up one that has like a little just a straight line, and then this one has a little bit ruffled top. And I picked up 5 of these. Oh, and actually another one that I picked up was the one that has 2 holes. I think these are great for kids to paint, and these were all $1.50. Then I picked up 2 of these ribbons, if you can see, and they are going to be for my Mother's Day DIY that I will be using, and these were $1.25. Then I have also picked up these hanging hearts, and these were $3. And then I picked up, because that was on the first trip. On the second trip, I actually found the one that I was going for, and then I picked up this one, and this one was $1.50. So I'm sure I'll find use for both of them. Then, I also picked up just some binder clips that I need. They're the really, really tiny ones. It doesn't say what size they are. And I also picked up the mini wooden clothespins. And as you saw, the binder clips were $1 and these were $1.25. Then I picked up some foam brushes. I use these myself as well as with the daycare, and these are $1.25 for 6 of them. I picked up white acrylic paint and black acrylic paint. And they had coconut oil, so I picked up that. That will be part of the DIY. And I also picked up this Himalayan salt. I just needed the big what is this called? The chunky salt. I don't know how else to call it. Rock salt. That's what I needed. So I picked up, they had it in the grinder. And I think that's it from Dollarama. At Dollar Tree, I have picked up the Jenga blocks. And I picked up 4. Now these are gonna be for a completely separate DIY. I don't think I'm gonna be using these for Mother's Day, but I'm gonna need a whole bunch, so I just wanted to start picking them up as I needed them, as I saw them, I mean. And then I will be using this tea, the fruit flavored tea, as part of my DIY. Stay tuned. And then I will also picked up these tiny little mason jars. And I thought the kids could, oh, this one's cracked on the inside. I thought the kids could make some cool Mother's Day gifts in these. So I picked up 3 packages, altogether 6 of them. So that's how they look. And that's it. It wasn't an overly big, huge haul. I haven't seen I haven't seen those small little jars before. So I think that's new to our Dollar Tree. The birdhouses, I would like to find one more. I know they have a different size, a different shape, because I would like to have 3. So I will need to pick one of these. And then that's it. I think that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little haul, and until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching.